Many times in life, when something wrong happens, we experience hardship, tragedy, and it seems we are suffering more than others. The question we ask is, why me? Why do I have to go through all this? Right? This question comes to our mind without a second thought to understand the truth behind it. I did some digging and realized not only the question is framed inaccurately, but it is a pointless question. Wondering how can that be? Well, here's the answer. Suffering is universal, and trust me, no one is spared. To make you understand what I'm referring to, here's a conversation between Karan and Krishna from Bhagavad Gita. When Karan and asked him to join his side, he asked a few questions. You can relate with them and understand why asking why me is not the right question. Karan asked Krishna, my mother left me the moment I was born. Is it my fault I was born an illegitimate child? I did not get the education from Dronacharya because I was not considered a Kshatriya. Parshuram taught me but then gave me the curse to forget everything when he came to know I was son of Kunti and belonged to Kshatriya. A cow was accidentally hit by my arrow and its owner cursed me for no fault of mine. I was disgraced in Draupadi's Swayambar. Even Kunti finally told me the truth only to save her other sons. Whatever I received was through Duryodhan's charity. So how am I wrong in taking his side? To this, Krishna replied, Karan, I was born in a jail. Death was waiting for me before my birth. The night I was born, I was separated from my birth parents. From childhood, you grew up hearing the noise of swords, chariots, horses, bow and arrows. I got only cows herd shed, dung, and multiple attempts on my life, even before I could walk. No army, no education. I could hear people saying, I am the reason for all their problems. When all of you were appreciated for your valor by your teachers, I had not even received an education. I joined Gurukul of Rishi Sandipani only at the age of 16. You got married to the girl of your choice. I didn't get the girl I loved and rather ended up marrying those who wanted me or the ones I rescued from demons. I had to move my whole community from the banks of Yamuna to far seashore to save them from Jarasan. I was called a coward for running away. If Duryodhan wins the war, you will get a lot of credit. What do I get if Dharamraj wins the war? Only the blame for the war and all related problems. This conversation between Karn and Krishna shows both had their share of ups and downs. One kept asking, why me? Another was looking towards making life better and helping others. So, why not we do the same? Instead of asking, why me? A better question might be, why not me yet? When we attune ourselves to the outer world and realize the great feats of suffering others are put through, we develop empathy towards one another. Asking yourself this question, why not me yet, will put you in a place of appreciation instead of harboring resentment towards the world. At this point, you must be thinking it's easy for Lord Krishna to say it, as he was the god and he had advantage, and we are normal beings. But remember, he came as a normal person on this earth, and he too faced the challenges of life. He was condemned. He was being said wrong words, but he never stopped doing things what were right. He never asked why me. If we start doing it in a life, it can be simpler and easier. Remember, life is not fair and easy on anybody. Not even for the people you admire. Your idol you think has everything, but they also have faced a lot. We don't know their story because we always fall for the brightness and charm. So before getting attracted towards all shiny things, try to know what they have gone through and how they survived. Know your conscience. No matter how much unfairness we got, how many times we were disgraced, how many times we fall. What is important is how we react. Life's unfairness doesn't mean we are right walking the wrong path. Always remember, life may be tough at few points, but destiny is not created by the shoes we wear. It's created by the steps we take. That was all for now. Thank you. Have a nice day. To listen to such more beautiful thoughts and life learning lessons, stay connected and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.